Have you ever wondered how long your feline friends can live? Our furry companions, domestic cats, have an average lifespan that might surprise you. Typically they live between 13 to 17 years, but this can vary greatly. Several factors influence a cat's lifespan, and it's not just about having 9 lives. First and foremost, genetics play a crucial role. Just like humans, cats inherit traits from their parents, which can impact their longevity. Then there's diet. A balanced, nutritious diet can significantly extend a cat's life. The environment is another key factor. Indoor cats tend to live longer as they're less exposed to dangers like traffic, predators, and diseases. Finally, regular healthcare is vital. Regular vet checkups, vaccinations, and preventative treatments can help ensure a long, healthy life for your cat. So, a well-cared-for indoor cat can live up to 15 years or longer. It's a testament to the importance of love, care, and a little understanding of our feline friends. Moving on to the giants of the animal kingdom, ever pondered how elephants communicate? Elephants have a remarkable range of communication methods. They use sounds, yes, but not just any sounds. These gentle giants emit low-frequency rumbles, inaudible to the human ear, that can travel over long distances. This seismic communication is a vital tool for elephant herds that need to stay connected even when miles apart. But that's not all. Elephants also use an array of body language to express themselves. A flap of the ears or a swing of the trunk can convey a multitude of messages, from joy to irritation. Even their feet play a role in communication. Elephants can pick up vibrations from the ground, allowing them to sense danger or locate family members. So, from low-frequency rumbles to expressive body language and seismic sensitivity, elephants truly are masters of communication. It's clear that elephants have a complex and nuanced way of communicating, isn't it? Next up, do you know what the smartest animal in the world is? The animal kingdom is bursting with intelligence, from the tool-using crows to the memory-holding elephants. Each of these creatures boasts impressive cognitive abilities that often rival human intelligence. Let's explore a little deeper. Octopuses, for instance, are renowned for their problem-solving skills. They've been observed opening jars to get to their food, and they can even navigate through mazes. Similarly, pigs are known to be as smart as a 3-year-old human child. They can understand mirrors, recognize symbols, and remember where food is stored. But the title of the smartest animal? That honor goes to the dolphins. Dolphins have a complex language, advanced problem-solving skills, and they're capable of recognizing themselves in a mirror, a trait that only a few animals possess. They even have longer attention spans than humans. So, not only are they incredibly intelligent, they're also highly social and empathetic creatures. That's right, dolphins take the crown for animal intelligence. Ever been curious about how bees make honey? This sweet treat we all love is actually the result of tireless labor by our buzzing friends. Let's delve into this fascinating process. The journey begins when worker bees flit from flower to flower, sipping nectar. This nectar is stored in their honey stomachs, a special organ separate from their actual stomach. Once they're all filled up, they return to the hive. Back at the hive, these workers regurgitate the nectar. It sounds a bit icky, but stay with me, into the mouth of another worker bee. This process is repeated until the nectar starts to transform, becoming more concentrated. Enzymes within the bees' stomachs break down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler ones, making it more digestible and less likely to spoil. The transformed nectar is then stored in honeycomb cells, which are sealed with a wax cap by the bees. Over time, the remaining water in the nectar evaporates, leaving behind the thick golden honey we know and love. So, honey is the result of hard work and teamwork in a bee colony. Do you know the difference between a turtle and a tortoise? Well, let's dive into it. The primary distinction lies in their habitats. Turtles typically make their home in water, be it in seas, rivers, or lakes. On the flip side, tortoises are land dwellers, preferring to roam the earth rather than swim. Body structure also sets them apart. Turtles, being aquatic, have webbed feet or flippers and a streamlined shell for smooth navigation in water. Tortoises, however, boast stubby, elephant-like feet and a dome-shaped shell, perfect for terrestrial life. The lifespan of these creatures varies too. Turtles generally live between 20 to 40 years, while certain species of tortoises can live over 100 years. The oldest known tortoise lived to an impressive age of 187. Therefore, while they might look similar, turtles and tortoises lead very different lives. Now let's unravel the mystery of how spiders make webs. Imagine being an architect, engineer, and construction worker all in one tiny 8-legged package. That's the life of a spider. The first step is producing silk, a protein fiber that spiders generate in their bodies. This silk is pushed out through spinnerets, which are tiny nozzle-like organs at the rear of their abdomen. Spiders can produce different types of silk, each with a unique purpose. Some are sticky to capture prey while others are not, for easy mobility. The creation of the web starts with a single thread called the bridge line. This serves as the base for the entire structure. From there, the spider lays down radial lines like the spokes of a bicycle wheel, which serve as the foundation. Then comes the spiral, the sticky silk that captures prey. The spider moves in a spiral pattern, laying down this silk, and voila, a web is born. Just like that, a spider weaves a masterpiece that is both home and hunting ground. Are you ready to meet the most venomous snake in the world? It's time to introduce the inland taipan, a creature that commands both respect and caution. Nestled within the arid regions of Central East Australia, the inland taipan thrives, camouflaged amidst the dust and rocks. This elusive serpent is known for its shyness and prefers to avoid human interaction. The inland taipan's behavior is as intriguing as its venom is potent. It's a specialist mammal hunter, and its venom, remarkably evolved, is designed to immobilize its prey instantly. A single bite from this snake can contain enough venom to kill over 100 full-grown men. That's right, 100. It's a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, myotoxins, and coagulants that make it the most venomous of all snakes. So, the inland taipan holds the title for the most venomous snake, but remember, it's more scared of you than you are of it. Have you ever wondered how bats navigate in the dark? It's a fascinating process called echolocation. Just as submarines use sonar to detect objects underwater, bats emit high-pitched sounds that bounce back to them after hitting an object. This echo provides the bat with valuable information about the object's distance, size, and even texture. Imagine you're a bat, swooping through pitch-black night. You let out a series of squeaks, each one a pulse of sound that travels through the air until it hits something and reflects back to you. Your specially adapted ears pick up these echoes, translating them into a mental map of the world around you. Echolocation helps bats to not just avoid obstacles but also to hunt. The echo from a tiny insect is different from that of a tree or a building, allowing bats to effectively find and capture their prey in total darkness. With echolocation, bats prove that you don't need light to find your way. Do you know what the largest fish in the ocean is? Well, let's dive in and discover this marine marvel together. The title of the largest fish goes to the whale shark. This gentle giant, despite its intimidating name, is not a whale, but a fish. It's a colossal creature that can grow up to 40 feet long, roughly the size of a school bus. Whale sharks are filter feeders, meaning their diet consists mainly of tiny plankton and small fish. They swim with their mouths wide open, filtering vast amounts of water for their meals, a dining style that's more pacifist than predatory. As for their habitat, whale sharks favor warm tropical oceans. They are often spotted near the equator, in places like the Maldives, the Philippines, and Western Australia, where they gather in large numbers to feed and mate. So the gentle giant of the sea, the whale shark, holds the record for being the largest fish. Finally, have you ever wondered how butterflies migrate? Let's take the monarch butterfly as an example. This journey is no small feat for these delicate creatures. It all starts when the seasons change. As temperatures drop and days shorten, an internal alarm goes off, signaling it's time to head south. The monarchs then embark on a journey that can span thousands of miles. Incredibly, no single butterfly completes the entire trip. Instead, the journey spans several generations. The first generation flies the longest leg, then lays eggs and dies. The next generation picks up where they left off, repeating the cycle until they reach their destination. But how do they know where to go? Scientists believe they navigate using the sun and the Earth's magnetic field. This incredible journey is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these seemingly fragile creatures. So, those delicate wings carry monarch butterflies on one of the most remarkable journeys in the animal kingdom.